Hello, in today's video, we are going to look at the Q&A feature in Google Meet. So first and foremost, to find this feature, we need to connect to Google Meet, come to the bottom right corner into the activity symbols, click on it, and then go to Q&A. Couple of things. As a host, you will have the possibility to allow questions. If you're not the host, you still have the same interface allowing you to use the two filters that are up here. What are these two filters? First and foremost, you can filter by all the questions that have been remained unanswered, those that are answered, and those that are hidden. On the other side, you can also filter by the oldest, the newest, or the most popular ones. Now, if I want to ask a question, what I can do, or what everybody can do, is use the ask a question at the bottom here. So I will do this to demonstrate as well a different approach that the host has as extra setting. Perfect. When I ask my question, we can see that the host now has a couple of different buttons that appear. The first one is that we can hide a question if we deem it unnecessary. The second one is if we want to mark it as answered. For instance, if I click here, we can see that the question has been answered. And last but not least, if we want to delete the question. The delete question is available for everybody. The other ones, the hide it or the mark it as answered or unanswered, is available to the host. And then last but not least, what we have is the upvoting, meaning the popularity vote. If we click on it, and then the more likes a question gets, the more it will remain at the top whenever it is filled as the popular. If we want to ask a question, what I do, as I mentioned, come into the ask a question, input your question. Is this working? And then I click on post. And from there, again, people are going to be able to see the question. And that is how you use the Q&A feature in Google Meet. That will be it for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.